welcome you aboard our Go Air flight. At Go Air, your safety is our first priority. Please store all hand baggage in overhead lockers or under the seat in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, please ensure that your seat back is upright, tray table is closed, and your seat belt is securely fastened. Extension seat belts are available on request. Kindly switch all mobile communication devices now to the flight mode until the aircraft has landed. Devices and data cards that do not have the flight mode need to be switched off and disconnected from their systems. All other electronic devices, such as full-size laptops, must be safely stowed during takeoff and landing phases of flight. For your information, consumption of alcohol and smoking are not permitted on all our flights. Smoke detectors are installed in all the toilets. Photography is prohibited at all defense-based airports. Please check with your crew before taking photographs.